Hello, here in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find the games on Google Play Store in Honor X6. To do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store, and just to preview, let's try to find Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for and we can't install it. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and open the settings. Reveal family, enter parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or click on apps and games, enter the PIN code and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back and look for Call of Duty again. It should be on the top right here, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.